Today I'm excited to share with you a comprehensive 56-point checklist to audit and optimize your Facebook ads campaigns. Whether you're a beginner or experienced marketer, this checklist will help you get the most out of your ad spend. Let's dive in. First, let's start with the foundation of your campaigns, the account structure. A well organized account can significantly improve your campaign's performance. First, ad account organization. Ensure your campaigns are grouped by objective. Use a consistent naming convention. Separate campaigns for different stages of funnel. 2. Campaign objectives. Verify that each campaign has a clear and appropriate objective. Align objectives with your business goals. Next, we have audience targeting. Reaching the right audience is crucial for the success of your campaign. 3. Custom audiences. Create custom audiences from your email list, website visitors, and app users. Exclude irrelevant audience to avoid wasted ad spend. Number 4. Create lookalike audiences. Create lookalike audiences based on your best customers. Taste a different percentage, that is 1%, 3%, 5%, to find the most effective size. Number 5. Interest and behavior targeting. Refine interest and behavior targeting based on your audience characteristics. Avoid broad targeting that might not be relevant. Number 6. Geographic and demographic targeting. Ensure geographic targeting aligns with the business location or service area. Ad creative plays a crucial role in capturing your audience's attention and driving engagement. Number 7. Ad formats. Utilize a mix of ad formats, that is carousel, video, single image, slideshow, to see what resonates best. Ensure your ad formats align with your campaign objectives. Number 8. Ad copy. Craft compelling and clear ad copy that speaks to your audience's needs. Use strong calls to actions to guide users on the next steps. 9. Visuals. Use high quality images and videos. Ensure your visuals are relevant to your message and target audience. 10. A/B testing. Continuously test different variations of ad copy, visuals, and formats. Analyze performance to identify the most effective combinations. Optimizing a budget and bidding strategy can help you maximize your return on ad spend. Number 11. Budget allocation. Set realistic budgets based on your overall marketing goals. Allocate more budget to high performing campaigns. Number 12. Bidding strategy. Choose the appropriate bidding strategies for your objectives. Regularly review and adjust bids based on performance. Number 13. Ad scheduling. Use ad scheduling to run ads during peak times when your audience is most active. Avoid running ads during off hours to save budget. Number 5. Performance monitoring and optimization. Regularly monitoring and optimization are key to maintaining and improving campaign performance. Number 14. Key performance indicators. Define and track KPIs such as CTR, conversion rate, and ROI. Regularly compare performance against benchmarks. Monitor ad frequency to ensure your audience is not seeing the same ad too often. Number 15. Frequency. Adjust or refresh creatives to combat ad fatigue. Number 16. Relevance score. Aim for a high relevance score to improve ad delivery and reduce cost. Number 17. Conversion tracking. Ensure proper conversion tracking is set up and working correctly. Number 18. Website retargeting. Create audiences based on website visitors and specific page visits. Number 19. Engagement retargeting. Retarget users who have engaged with your Facebook or Instagram content. Use video views, post engagement, and page likes for retargeting. Number 20. Dynamic product ads. Use dynamic product ads to retarget users with products they viewed or added to the cart. Finally, let's explore some advanced techniques to take your campaigns to the next level. 21. Custom conversions. Set up custom conversion to track specific actions relevant to your business. Number 22. Split testing. Use Facebook's built-in split testing tool to test different variables systematically. Analyze results to make data-driven decisions. Number 23. Campaign budget optimization. Use CBO to automatically allocate budget to the best performing ad sets. Number 24. Use of UTM parameters. Add UTM parameters to your ad URLs for better tracking in Google Analytics. Number 25. Lookalike audiences from high value customers. Create lookalike audiences based on high value customers or top converters. Test different lookalike audiences sizes for best results. Number 26. Leverage user generated content. Encourage your customers to share the experience with your products. Use user generated content in your ads to build trust and authenticity. And there you have it, a comprehensive 56-point checklist to audit and optimize your Facebook ads campaigns. Implementing these strategies will help you improve performance, reduce costs, and achieve your marketing goals.